what's up with this line?
Oh, this is the most prestigious film festival in the entire city. Yeah, you have to already be related to a famous movie producer in order to register.
Well, I've got a DVD, but no nepotism on my side.
Hi there! This film festival seems popular, which means rules. Would you be more interested in an actual underground film extravaganza with no rules, no guidelines, nothing except that your film must be 10 minutes or less?
Ooh, that sounds like only the strongest filmmakers survive. That sounds great.
Yes, exactly. It would be like a Philip Schmoger sport in which your film are the mashed potatoes or the... whatever, come with me. This shit's awesome. It will blow your mind. This is the real shit.
Well, I guess I'm gonna go check that one out.
Yeah.
I'm gonna leave your nepotism behind.
No, come on. This shit is epic, though. Oh, shit, Brad. I forgot about the shift change. Well, whatever. Do you have a movie to submit?
Yeah, it's an unnamed movie on an unmarked DVD.
Let's see if we can begin the process.
Sweet, thanks. So, when's the show happen? Where is it? Can I bring friends? Does it cost any money? You know what? I'm just gonna go back to that other line for that nepotistic film festival. I'll be in touch.
Open Screen Night, Red Carpet Extravaganza. Celebrate Denver's only real underground local film smorgasbord. This July 31st, 7 p.m., $5, only at the Bug Theater, Denver, Colorado. Submit your masterpieces online at OpenScreenNight.com.